Kaunti ya Meru Mutuma M'Ehinkia na kinyete mbere ya kamiti ya Senate ya mbunge ya Senate kendo coke biuria bigi otei boruko mwithone yuankunga M'Ehinkia wite kaunti cia Meru, Tharaka, Nithi na Embu ni kwaranira kubangania kenda kuona antu amwe harakwate ya warukuru na kinya kuraithia rwarumba kwairithwa ni untu Bethire akiwa bwakinyira ndene ya mieri kenda yeyete maseneta mwanya bareo seneta Meru Kathuri Murungi wete antu kutea waruko ndene ya mwitho yuankunga Meru ni kureto watiboki mabo mwire kila antu baraba tura kwina kiara kiu na kinya nyumo cia Tharaka. Antoni Kathenya aina riboti.
Kiaria lembe la kamiti ya migonde ya bunge ya Senate, Governor wa kaunti ya Meru Mutuma M'Ehinkia, leo ni leaditete kaunti ya Meru, kaunti ya Tharaka, Nithi hamwe na ile ya Embu, ni igwatanirite kuthondeka kiwanda kia kumenyera ruko, na mubango uthondeki bwa kiwanda giki ni wambiletie. Kiwanda giki gikirigagirwo gukinya muthio taibwa ruko, kirigitwo gia gutaruko gia nkunga.
This is a dump site that has been there since the inception of devolution. And it is creating health problems. We know it's an environmental hazard, health hazard. What we are doing, Chair, as a region, that is Embu County, Meru, and Tharaka Nithi, is that we are coming together to create a regional waste processing plant.
Kulingana na Governor Mutuma M'Ehinkia, kaunti ino jirijiri kirwaraniria na kambuni imeonjorithia na kile mieri kenda ejete kiwanda iki kiamba kwithirwa kiambirite utungata.
Company that we are engaging with, that as soon as possible, God willing, we are going to create some income out of this and create opportunities for the young people with an investor who is interested to invest in this area. We envisage it to be up and operational within 9 months. We are still in the formation stage, doing the documents with the 3 counties.
Maseneta baka mitino batongeretwe ni seneta wa kaunti ya Meru Kathuri Murungi ni bele idite wagagu babu kwena mathina mala gituo iki ya utaruko gya nkunga kithirito ikiretera karibante rino amuna nyamu mwitoni ujwa nkunga.
Are you happy that you have that dump site at Nkunga Forest? And as this department, I can see you are able even to start up and dump sites away from the people. Because you know the organisms in the forest. You know, there are animals in the forest and burns. Yes. Sometimes there is burning of the waste. You see that smoke must be affecting the organisms or the wildlife in the forest.
She has not answered the...
Personally, I'm not happy with that dump site as your senator. So maybe if you can help us at least manage that waste not being dumped at that site, we will be happy as a community.
The people neighboring the forest are complaining. The animals and other creatures in the forest are complaining. Even the trees are affected because of the smoke. Some of them end up getting burnt and dry out. So what are you doing about this waste management?
Nao kajitaka Governor Mutuma ni agile na kanyambe la kamiti ino kweleithia miradi la thirikari aingitie kile mubango akina kiomenyeri bwalela kuma muji muneno Nairobi. Mbita Antoni Rangi.